Are you ready to transform your garden this September? If you think it's too late to plant, think again. In fact, you're just in time to plant some of the best vegetables, herbs, and flowers for a stunning fall harvest. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what to plant in Zone 5 this month to make your garden thrive even as the temperatures drop. Vegetables to plant now. First up, let's talk vegetables. You might be surprised, but September is a fantastic time to plant certain crops in Zone 5. Think about cool weather champions like spinach, kale, and lettuce. These greens absolutely love the cooler temperatures and will thrive in the coming weeks. Plus, they grow fast. Imagine harvesting fresh, crisp greens straight from your garden for your fall salads. Another great option is radishes. They grow super quickly, often ready to harvest in just a few weeks. Perfect for those who want to see results fast. And don't forget carrots. They might take a bit longer, but planting them now means you'll have sweet, crunchy carrots ready before the ground freezes. Herbs that thrive in fall. Next, let's talk herbs. You might think herbs are just a summer thing, but there are a few that actually do really well in the fall.
Parsley is a prime example. It loves the cooler weather and can keep producing well into the season.
It's perfect for adding fresh flavor to all your fall dishes. Then there's cilantro. This herb tends to bolt or go to seed quickly in the heat of summer, but cooler temperatures make it much more manageable. Imagine fresh cilantro in your homemade salsa or sprinkled on your tacos straight from your garden. Chives are another herb that can keep growing through the cooler months. They're hardy, and you can snip them as needed to add a mild onion flavor to just about anything. Flowers for a burst of fall color. Now, let's add some color to your garden with flowers that bloom beautifully in the fall. Pansies are a must-have. They can handle the cooler temperatures and will give you vibrant color right up until the first hard frost. Plus, they're edible, so they can add a colorful touch to your salads. Mums or chrysanthemums are another fantastic choice. They're the classic fall flower with rich, warm colors that scream autumn. They're easy to care for and will make your garden look like it's celebrating the season. And don't forget about snapdragons. These tall, elegant flowers are not only beautiful, but also quite hardy. They can survive light frosts and will continue to bloom well into fall. So there you have it, the best vegetables, herbs, and flowers to plant in September if you're gardening in Zone 5. Don't let the cooler weather fool you. There's still plenty of time to grow and enjoy a bountiful garden. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. And if you're planting this month, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you're growing. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.